Welcome to the Underdog Investor Group, the fastest growing crypto and DeFi group for a very good reason. We've cracked the code on how to actually turn all this DeFi stuff into a business that makes us a daily income. We're all about the cash flow. And beyond that, really crack the code on how to communicate that, how to teach it, and how to help you do the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend a few minutes and I'm going to take you behind the scenes of the Underdog Investor Group. I'm going to show you how we do it, what you get, and ultimately how our members are getting results here. This was just posted a few hours ago. Day 2, complete newbie. I actually really want to read this. Excited for where this can go. Learning lots, diving in head first. I mean, Tom, it's clear to me his level of commitment. Going to deploy more capital. The first big milestone is $50 per day. Then my ambitious goal of $250 a day. I have no doubt Tom is going to hit that. So with that said, I'm going to show you what you get when you join. Up on top, we have a bulletin board. A lot of our announcements go up here. At the end of every day, we announce all the updates for the day. In case you're super busy, you can always jump in here and grab what you need. We do almost daily calls right now, from mindset and money calls every Monday to crypto and DeFi education calls to True DeFi portfolio review calls. These are extremely high value calls. You basically see what other people are doing, and we review portfolios live. You really want to join those. There are replays for each of these that are both 30 minutes long, so it's easy to keep up on it. We do teach TA, and we have a report on Friday. Every Friday, a report comes out that gives us a whole zoomed out look at the entire market, pools, opportunities, top opportunities, opportunities you want to get into. That comes out every Friday. There's over 20 hours of research on just those reports. I'll show you them in a second here. Member wins. We take some, we get probably 5 or 6 a day, but we got members earning from $293 per day to $10 per day to $2,000 per day. And you get access to all these people's portfolios as well, by the way. And there's something happening. James just hit his $90 to $120 daily mark. James has been with us for 6 months, but he's been putting in the work. When you first join us, you're going to go through a bit of an onboarding process. We're really going to help you set up your business and understand this is a business we're building. If you're brand new to crypto DeFi and you've got some things to set up, we have a Your First Dollar in DeFi challenge. We're going to help you through step-by-step getting into your first profitable investment and making your first true dollar in true DeFi. So not some gamble, not some meme coin. Build a business and earn your first profits. Then we move into the 6-figure DeFi challenge. We've had people hit all of this and beyond, but we're going to walk you through 7 quests from $100 per month to $300 a month, to $750 a month, to $1,500 a month, $3,000, $6,000, $10,000, $100,000 per year and beyond. And we're going to help you through it step by step. We basically have taken everything it takes to build a 6-figure DeFi business, broken it down to 7 steps, and we give you the information you need to make it through each step. And we get more and more advanced as you work through these quests. The portfolio review section, I think, is one of our hottest sections right now, but literally you get to see people's portfolio, and some of these people are doing $100 a day. Some are doing $500 per day. You literally get to see real-time portfolios from our members, from our clients. And what's really cool is we do live feedback. So we will give you feedback, but you also see the feedback on other people's portfolios. This to me is super valuable. We do have different educational courses. There's always something new coming out. Crypto DeFi education, giving you a deep dive. Each group, by the way, has study questions and chats. So you can chat with members, chat with us, ask your questions, and we support you through the material. We have a TA group, super, super powerful, and we help you do TA. We teach you how to do technical analysis. As you can see here, we take you through a bit of a course. Again, there's always something new being added. But on top of that, we're really going to help you do some TA on your assets. There's also a live every Thursday where we do some technical analysis on new pools, new positions, so you can time your entries really, really well. Massive in value in here, as you can see. People are loving it. And then we have investor groups. We have a DeFi investor group. This is where new opportunities, new research from the team, new pools, new positions, really worth checking out, including the DeFi opportunity of the week. So if you're just looking for your next position, we actually do the TA on it. And we time our entries. We get into every one of these projects we're in, by the way. And so we update you real time on our positions, our earnings, what we're doing. Just to bring this back, so that's basically the group. Again, there's questions, chats, massive level of support, calls almost every single day. All calls are recorded. So if you're going into our call replays, you can literally go into our, True DeFi portfolio review call from last week. Check it out. Our end of week reports are extremely high value. A lot of members are here with us just for that report. But at the end of every week, we give you a very in-depth report along with a 32-hour long video that's really worth studying. We talk about the markets overall. We talk about the 3 best pools and opportunities of the week and the 3 highest paying pools. We set ranges. We talk about all that fun stuff. A lot of value in here. And then, of course, we celebrate the community. Every week, there's something happening in here. We had members last week that went skiing, took time off, were with their families, and earned thousands of dollars over the week because they built a business out of this. So as you can see, I mean, if we shared all the wins on the report every week, we would probably run out of room. And I just want to bring us back to one thing here. Remember, we're building a business where we're earning fees. This isn't some Ponzi type stuff. Like, we're earning fees from some of the biggest protocols, and we're just getting involved in these. So as you can see, some of these positions I'm in earning me $3 a day, $12 a day, 10, 5. Some are leveraged, so these are more advanced strategies. Some are not. I'm in different pools across multiple protocols, earning me rewards from people actually swapping rewards. $318, $433 of rewards. Here I'm probably sitting on $14 of rewards for the day. And our ultimate goal here is to help you build a portfolio where you've got multiple pools, multiple positions, you're earning yield off multiple assets, and that's paying you every single day. And then we're taking that, and we may choose to further invest it. And when you start playing that game, you can start building wealth very quickly. I mean, this is another $40,000 I made, $50,000 over the last month. And my DeFi portfolio prints me the income I need to be able to further invest it and make yields on my investments. And that's what we're helping you build in here inside the Underdog investor group. So with that said, I'll let you look through this page, have a look at other member wins, case studies, see what they're doing. We'd love for you to join us. We'd love to support you. And the level of support you're going to get in the UIG is going to blow your mind. That we can guarantee. So with that said, do check it out. And we're looking forward to seeing you inside.